Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Nailsea today. It's one of those places with plenty of charity shops, so I can usually find something worth buying. Trouble is I tend to get a bit carried away, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items here. And I turned my nose up at a kite. I didn't buy that, £2.50, a stunt kite. Another radio controlled car I didn't buy for £1.50. So I didn't buy everything that I liked the look of. Still, we'll go through this lot. Where do we start? This little chap. This was 50p. It's a little train. I assume that's one of those Thomas the Tank Engine series. It says Diesel 10 or Diesel 10. 2151WC, whatever that may mean. 2009 Mattel. Okay, see if we can get it open. It's got some triangular headed screws there, so I assume I'm not supposed to open them, but there is a ordinary crosshead screw there. Right, that little bit comes out and I can see what happens next. We can squeeze the size of the body and that releases those clips. A little bit of dust in there, not much. I do like these little electric trains. I only just realised recently how useful they are, because they're always low geared so that they can pull the rest of the train. So they go slowly, but you've got quite a lot of torque here. So they're geared well down. And that's a particularly nice little standalone plastic unit there. So this one may not be destined to be a train anymore. I may take it apart and use it for bits. That says LR14. Which I think is a size C battery that I happen to have. LR14C. That's quite a big battery. Yeah, there we go. So that works. Put the cover back on for now. Yeah, pleased with that. 50p, nice little motor unit. I'll take the battery back out again though. So that was fine, that's worth 50p. Just hold it still for a second for the thumbnail if I do one. Right, next, a triangle. I don't suppose there's much that can go wrong with a triangle, unless you really abuse it and bend it. That was 50p as well. Might make another one of my doorbells with that, just for fun. Next, a bag of Dominoes. I tried to count them in the shop, but I didn't actually take them out and count them, so I'll just check that now. Got a nice weight to them, nice and solid. So we can either use them for playing dominoes or doing one of those domino effect things. But I'll just count it first. think we're one short, aren't we? That's a shame. Yeah, that's a shame. One missing. Might be using it for domino effects then. Okay, right, next. Completely random what you find in charity shops. Do-it-yourself drone. Cost me £4.99. Little bit misleading. Picture shows camera on the front of it, but when you actually go around to the side, it's the bottom of the range one. DIY easy drone. It's not the Wi-Fi FPV, and it's not the 5.8 gigahertz FPV drone. But I guess for £4.99, if all the bits are there, it'll be worth having. I looked at it very quickly in the shop. You can see it's got a transmitter. Doesn't say what band it's on. Instructions. That's going to be a little project, isn't it, for a wet and windy night. And then here's the important bit. Right, so we've got the main frame, got 4 motors, got the controller board, LiPo battery, charger, another bit that fits somewhere. Oh, I know what that is. I reckon that's the bit where the camera would go if you had a camera, isn't it? I'm guessing. And then 8 propellers. So that looks pretty good to me. It looks like we got everything there to at least make a basic drone. And yes, you can complain I said the word drone instead of quad. But let's be fair, that is what it calls it, a DIY drone. Well, we'll look at that later. Okay, only 2 things left. Yeah. Okay, another RC car, £1.50, just car, in other words, no transmitter. (27.145 megahertz), band C, it says there. I just happen to have one of my handy controllers here. That looks like it works to me. So I might have to give that a try. I'm pretty confident. This is one of those ones that's supposed to work in the water as well, isn't it? I'll have to look it up. So Nico, or Nico, 0359. Yeah, we might be able to have some fun with that. You can see that those just turn like that. Do we have to undo the screws or not? It does come off. 6V DC. Yeah, that's all basically a sealed unit, isn't it? Right, so we'll have to play with that. Turn it off again for now. Yeah, that's off. Okay, and then finally, a mirror. I do rather like convex mirrors. Keep an eye on my grandsons, I suppose. But don't often see them in the shops. So I saw this one. Didn't have a price on it, asked how much, said £5. So I thought, yeah, we'll have that. Looks quite nice. It's not a concave one, it's not for burning paper or anything like that. It's convex, so you can look around corners. Okay, so a bit of work to do there. Probably need new batteries in the car, and we got a drone to put together. That'll be separate episodes. Nearly forgot to check. The battery pack is one of those rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery packs, and obviously we don't have the charger for it, so I'll have to rig something up so I can charge a 6V battery. Needs to plug either side there, doesn't it? Or connectors either side. I should be able to rig something up. So, yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.